Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Land Rover Discovery Sport. This is the SE Tech TD4 9-speed auto. The car was first registered 21st of November 2016 on a 66 registration. Just the one owner from new. The car came direct from a leasing company. Finished in Loire Blue metallic, having covered just over 62,000 miles. With a full Land Rover Service History, last done Land Rover Oxford 23rd of October 2020 at just under 60,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 20th of November 2021. The Euro 6 diesel engine is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London, produces 177 brake horsepower, returns a manufacturer's claimed average of 53.3 to the gallon. It's tax band E, which equates to £150 a year road tax. Very good set of premium branded tyres, Pirelli Scorpion tyres all round, rears on 4.3 and 7.7mm of tread, and the fronts are on 4.2mm of tread. As with the exterior of this Land Rover, the interior is likewise in good condition for age and mileage. Features a half leather interior trim to all 7 seats. Isofix location points to both outer middle row seats. The front seats are heated. It has keyless entry and keyless start. Optional electric tow bar. Automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. Cruise control with speed limiter. Lane assist and a heated front windscreen. Audio equipment wise, we have a radio with AM, FM, DAB radio, auxiliary, twin USB ports, Bluetooth music streaming and Bluetooth connectivity for phone. Front parking sensors, rear parking sensors with camera also feature on this model. The car is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Be supplied with both remote control keys, full set of tailored carpet mats, inflator and gel pack are present, as is the tonneau cover in the boot, along with all paperwork. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding the warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form and our interactive finance calculator. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 20% deposit over a 48-month PCP with monthly payments of £198.29. Flat rate of 4%, APR 8.6. Thank you for watching this latest video.